Find me. I'm Huey Poplock. Often people come up to me and say, Huey, how do I find you on the web? Or where's your website? Or where can I find a video? And it's just, there's so many places. I don't know where to begin. I don't like to carry a long list, and it makes it difficult. I think I found a way to make it easier, and I want to show you so I can share it with you. Here's what it looks like, although it has different themes that you can use. And I'm going to do a demo of this a little bit later, so you're going to see what it is, how it works, and so on. I just wanted you to see what it looked like and how I could use it. In an email, right beneath my name, I could put just one link, and it would show all of the places how you could find me. The website is Linktree. These are some captures from their webpage. Try the #1 link in bio for content creators. Trusted by over 50 million writers and other people. You never have to change the link in your bio again. Grow your followers across all of your social platforms, sell products and monetize your audience, grow with in-depth user analytics. I'm not interested in all of these. I just want to use the part where I have links to me, and that part of it's free. You can grow your followers across your social platforms. You can sell products and monetize your audience, grow with in-depth user analytics, create custom mini websites in seconds, bring your offline world online with QR codes, or integrate with Linktree with your existing tech. You can use several of their templates to make it look different. Control how your content is consumed with links and buttons. Take fast payments with Commerce Link. Personalize your profile. Integrate with your platforms. Your Linktree works on any social media platform. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. How it works? Create your free account. It takes less than a minute to create and set up your free account, or select a paid account if you want for enhanced customizations, analytics, and link types. Make your own custom link tree and connect and grow your cross-channel following. You can start using Linktree in under 1 minute whenever you sign on to it. A Linktree template to suit every brand and creator. I only put a couple up here so you could see what a few of them look like, but there's a whole bunch of them. The pricing, there's free, there's $4 a month, the pro, and which is $7.50 a month, and then there's the premium at $19.50 a month. I'm just using the free. What I'm going to show you that I use it for is free. And let's do a demo. This is my Linktree page. Let's take a look at it. I've set it up and have several links on it. It's a menu of all of my sites and all the ways to find me on the internet. First, at the top, we can set up my Instagram account, my YouTube account, Facebook, and X or Twitter account. I also have all of these accounts that I've set up. We're going to set up one just a moment so you can see how easy it is. But when I click my YouTube channel, when I click that button, it takes me right to my YouTube channel. If I click Tech for Senior YouTube, it takes me directly to Tech for Senior's YouTube page. See how easy this is to find me. Here's the Tech for Senior website. Again, one button wherever I have assigned you can find. Here's my AI news page. So let's see how to set this up. We're going to come up here to go ahead and add something or change something. I'm going to go to my edit page by clicking over here. And they give me an ad. And we'll go ahead and close that. Okay, so here's my edit page. We'll move it over a little bit so you can see it easily. So here are all the links. I have one that I have turned off, so you can't see it. If I turn it on, it's then available. We'll leave it on so you can see that. But let's go ahead and add one. And we're going to add the stug.org. All I have to do is click add. It is now put it up here. We're going to say, and it's now ready. So now if we go and hit the backspace here, takes us back to our, now we want to change this to the Stug website, and it changed it over here. But you'll notice that there is a picture or an image associated with it. What we need to do is, or a thumbnail. So what we want to do is come over here and say that we want a classic thumbnail and just click in this box. It now has made it smaller or the same size as the others. We can just close that and we now have the Stug. Let's go ahead. So we've now added that to our page. If we click on it, it takes us directly to the Stug website. If someone comes to Linktree at Hueie, you'll see that the Stug website is here, my Facebook page, and so on. These are all here. And this one we haven't edited, but remember I clicked on it. I didn't know, so I'll go ahead and stop it. But remember, I had it turned off. We'll turn it back off. I really don't want to have it on. I just wanted to have that to show for you. So we're going to come back up here to the top. We're going to say edit. Back down here. And shut that one off. The next thing that we can do is we don't want the Stug at the top, so we can come here and we can just move it down the list. And we're going to put it, I'll put it right after AI News. And so now you can see it has changed it over here where my menu is, and it's at the bottom, which is where I told it to be. There's not much more for me to show you. This is the only part of Linktree that I'm using. This part is free. So now when I have a business card, I am going to put on it just this link. And when I sign my signature on an email, I'll have just that link. And when I do that, then anyone can come here. They'll see this. And remember, I told you up here there's some things. So if we click on the YouTube channel, I've got it set up so that also takes you to my YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and close that tab out. So that's it for the program. I think it's great. I'm going to be able to use this and put it anywhere. So I want to add some more, I can. If I want to take one off. So forever, I can just say to somebody, here, go to Linktree/Hueie, and you will see all of the places that I want you to find. You can find my YouTube channel, my website, the WinSig website, the WinSig YouTube channel. So it's all here in one spot, and all I have to do is press on a button. This has been Linktree, how to find me.